In the most of Mediterranean dishes, high-quality, fresh ingredients will be commonly used. The original flavor of the ingredients played an important role in cooking. Simple, natural, and delicious. Today, I will use all the fresh ingredients to show you how to cook Mediterranean roast chicken pasta. I will use a bunch of basil, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of dried thyme, 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil. With the help of this stick blender, blend the ingredients into sauce. Then it becomes the homemade pesto sauce. Rub the chicken inside out with the blend sauce. Make sure to give the whole chicken a massage with the sauce inside and out. Then marinate it for a while. I will use the knife to pluck lemon in a few places. The aroma of lemon will penetrate into the other ingredients during cooking. Put the lemon into chicken's cavity. The chicken will be juicier after roasting. Put the cherry tomato on the roasting tin and add garlic. Place a tray on top and then put the chicken on the tray. Rub sauce on the outside of the chicken before going into oven. Don't forget to pour 2 cups of water into the roasting tin. It helps keep the meat moist and juicier. Put it in the preheated oven for 200 degrees Celsius for 1 hour 10 minutes. How is it like? You can see from its appearance. Let's boil the spaghetti now. At the same time, put the baked tomato and the meat juice into the container. It is easy to blend all the ingredients into smooth texture. Heat the sauce. Add Italian balsamic vinegar, salt, and the boiled spaghetti. Last but not least, add the ground parmesan cheese. Look how warm and lovely it is. A finely presented food is always more tempting and appetizing. Slice the chicken slowly. Just place the chicken meat casually on top of the pasta. Let's relax and enjoy it right away. That is what I'd always say, be kind to ourselves and cook something to treat ourselves good. Let's take action and enjoy yourself.